Hi, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in your Canvas course. I've just chosen a random TED Talk here. I've moved my cursor to where I want to start the video for students in Canvas. Now I'm going to click my share link and I need to say, please start this video at 2:16. And then I'm going to click the embed code link. And oh gosh, that box is in here too. Let's click that to make sure it's starting at 2:16. And then when I highlight over the text and copy it and switch over to this is my sample Canvas course that I'm using. I'm going to just create a new page. I have several different ways I can embed this code. I'm going to use a page to do it. And then this is just a normal editor. It probably looks very familiar, a little like Word or maybe Google Docs. We're going to switch to the HTML editor. And right now there's nothing on this page. Normally you'd see a little source code here. I'm going to paste our iframe here. So I just did Command or Control V. And then I'm going to click Save. And now when students hit this particular page, they see this video. And you'll notice that it's not like normal YouTube where there's a lot of junk, advertising and banners and suggested videos. All those get edited out and you only embed the video itself. Now, of course, the kids can also watch this on YouTube once they open this video up. It'll give them a link to do that.